trunk, in these locations right here and also right here, you will find 2 screws. You need to use a T15. Take those screws out. And pull the other screw out. You can grab underneath the light from inside the car, slide it up. You want to slide it back. And then you can access the connector underneath. Disconnect the connector. The connector works like this. You have to slide these 2 tabs down, just like that, and then push on the connector, slide it down. Now underneath, we're going to connect the connector, line it up, lock it down, and then push down on that lock. Then just take the light. And there's a couple tabs in the front. You want to slide those in first and then push the light down. Now back in the trunk, you want to put the screws back in those 2 locations. Just get those both started first. Once you get them both started, then you can tighten them down. Just snug them down, not too tight.